look what is in my kitchen somehow. You know, I don't know how this it happened in Five Below, and the next thing I know, Paqui, Paqui. Now, I'm not sure if you saw when I did this in Mycosina Oi. This one. I did this one. Paqui, Paqui. Now I see these. What does this one say this one is? And I almost accidentally mistook it for a Dorito okay, let's see. So this has ghost pepper, cayenne pepper, chipotle pepper, cayenne sugar, cayenne pepper. So it's a ghost pepper, cayenne pepper. I would put cayenne pepper in my tea. Chipotle pepper. Okay, well, I don't know. We'll save this for a weekend for sure. Couldn't help it. It just wound. I don't know how this happened. A spirit made me do it. It is haunted. Oh my goodness. Alrighty. And Mycosina Oi. I don't know what made me do it.